8, by the way. It's still got Gorilla Glass 5, but regardless, guys, we got the handy dandy hammer. We gotta smash it, guys. It's the basic laws of science. Let's get it going. So let's cut to the chase, guys. I'm gonna start with the knife real quick. Make little nice circles. And just doing that alone, just like every generation note, you're going to get scratches on the bezel. The back is just glass, so pretty resistant. Now if you do get one of those strong jabs, you will see that spider effect, spider shatter effect, and that's normal because, again, I'm going to reinstate, it is glass, so you don't want anything too sharp jabbing against the back of the Note 8. Let's move on to the hammer. Of course, guys, it's 2.5 pounds. I'm just going to let it drop very nicely, very slowly to do the regular testing, just to see, you know, what happens. Just from a few inches, bottom, top, and that's pretty good. So I'm impressed, guys, but again, that's not really a surprise. It is 2017. You know, this is something that should be resistant as far as just dropping a hammer on a phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some power hits. Kind of surprised at that though, because those were, I mean, just regular medium-sized hits, and look at that, guys. We've got shatters, we've got cracks, and it's that typical Gorilla Glass 5 shatter. It's not like crazy all over the place, but you got the little circle here, the little circle there. Let's continue. And you know, this is the beautiful, this is where the beauty happens, because when you see something like this, you almost become speechless. You just don't know what to do. Do you stare at it with awe, or you know, with sheer excitement? It's euphoria, to be honest. So beautiful, guys. Let's go ahead and just examine this, and just the colors, the cracks. It's a masterpiece, guys, and that's really all I have to say. We just have to continue, because at this point, I mean, I'm just speechless. This center part is just extremely hot. I'm going to try and see if I can just grab it by the corners, but I am smelling that original lithium ion smoke, and check that out. That is incredible. Wow, you guys can just see how much that battery expanded. That's ridiculous, guys. It's got like this huge wart on top now. I mean, it was just a little bit bent, but now it's got this huge lump on top. So I'm probably gonna put this outside, because, you know, who knows, this thing could probably erupt, start smoking, or I could give it a couple more hits. Let's do it. That wraps it up, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.